Okay, I'm recording. That's Alexa and Leah and me, and we're gonna do a drill at the trot and the canter. Okay, trot.
Yeah, we got this, Maggie. You're not having it on us.
Yeah, really. You're looking at the floor. Oh, sorry. All right, well,
we're walking now. We're walking. Dog.
This video is gonna be really bouncy. You guys ready?
Yep.
Woo! Ace is bucking and we're all cantering. This is so funny.